mo, yung mga tao, kilala mo ba si Jesus? Kilala ko po. Siya yung namatay sa cross. Tinanong mo, kilala mo ba si God the Father? Yes, siya po yung gumawa ng buong universe. Siya po yung creator. Yung Holy Spirit, meron ba nun? Ano yun? Are you getting it now? Why? Kasi hindi nakikilala ng husto yung Holy Spirit na isasantabi. Dapat ang Holy Spirit na-acknowledge. Ang laging naalala, si Jesus at si God the Father. Pero hindi natin alam, and some of the believers na, pero they are not acknowledging who is the Holy Spirit in their lives. The truth is, malaki ang ginagampanan ng factor ng Holy Spirit sa pagiging Kristiyano mo. Gaano ba kahalaga ang Holy Spirit? This means the Holy Spirit is God, co-equal with God, the Father, the Son, and is the same essence. God the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit are distinct from one another in terms of their personal relationship, but they are co-equally God, meaning they are all being of God. In other words, they do not exist independently one from the other. So you cannot remove one of the three persons of God and still have God as revealed in the Bible.